Wayne Gretzky, who's a famous Canadian hockey player, close to my heart, although he played for the Oilers, famously once said, what was the secret of his success? And he said it was not skating to where the puck is, but skating to where the puck will be. And we think in what we're doing, that's what we're always trying to do. We're trying to look a little bit ahead, see where the market is going, and then we position ourselves to take advantage of that, but also to help maybe accelerate that movement in that direction.
Anthemis gets it. They really have a very visionary view of digitally native finance. They're really unique in that. There aren't many people that have that kind of a view of the world.
If you think that change is going to come, but it's going to take a number of years, you often don't implement the replacement quick enough. And I think in financial services, we've moved away from 5-year cycles to 5-month cycles, or indeed, 5-week cycles. That's where we are driving change. We're driving change on those time scales.
A bunch of guys who got together and saw the gap between industrial age banking and information age banking and said, we're going to do something about that.
Over the past 200+ years, corporations were defined by economies of scale, scarcity of information, and high transaction costs. But today, information abundance and low transaction costs are the new factors accelerating the transition from the industrial to the information economy. Anthemis exists to embrace this new paradigm. We believe that by connecting a network of companies who are the leading players in the reinvention of the financial industry, we are building a financial services group that is adapted to the digital age. So what we need from an entrepreneur is their passion, their vision, and an understanding of, given a blank sheet of paper, how are they going to change this part of finance? And we can bring all of our experience and knowledge and networks to help them make that happen.
Anthemis is an investment company that supports the portfolio and brings a network together, rather than being a venture capital firm who looks for an exit within 3 to 4 years and then pushes you down that route.
Anthemis is a movement, it's a community, and it's there to re-establish the social purpose of finance.
To us, fundamentally, the only value we have is people. So part of an ecosystem, whether it's inside or outside, is people. And we are constantly looking for investing in talented people, because if you have them and you have passionate people who are energetic and focused and desire to make change, then you will figure it out.
Trust environments generally don't require hierarchies because people are generally collaborative across the spectrum. So once you've built a trusted environment where people are able to work with each other, you don't necessarily need that command and control system. That is really part and parcel of the environment we're trying to build across the board.
There is nothing that replaces human connection.
Why would someone invest in Anthemis? They're investing in the future. They're investing in a need. There is a dramatic need for things to change. And that's where Anthemis's expertise and domain knowledge and influence and day-to-day function is at the heart of that. It's making change happen.
The best way to grow, to create value in this kind of economy is to build value from the ground up. When we succeed in doing that, the investment returns available are very real and very significant compared to more traditional public alternatives.
It's pretty hard to find startups in the way that we're working with them, and to be able to incubate them and provide the seed capital, provide management experience. And I think that's the really great opportunity that we bring to the markets.
I experience Anthemis to be a very active shareholder, very creative shareholder, cross-thinking, absolutely driving force of innovation and thinking cutting edge. Yeah, I'm very happy that we have Anthemis on board.
On one hand, we work closely with entrepreneurs to reinvent finance through disruptive business models. On the other, we provide established companies with operational and strategic advice so they can reinvent their practices for the 21st century. We field a team made up of industry veterans who incubate, advise, and transform businesses in the age of disruptive finance.
These two activities complement each other and bring us insights from the existing world of finance and the emerging world of new innovative, disruptive startups.
You have strategic consultants that come in and give advice on transformation, on what a company should do to grow, and what kind of products they should have in the field, and how to go to market. We actually come in and implement those actions.
It's a combination of an expert network, a strategy consultancy, a design firm, and a talent agency.
From a Future of Anthemis point of view, we really do sit in the role of being able to lead the way in which we rebuild this industry.
We're on the J curve of innovation, we're on the J curve of change, we're at the inflection point. And the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years are going to see a Cambrian explosion of change and innovation in financial services. And we're in the heart of that.